All right, let's get into something weird. What if reality isn't, well, real? Turns out they all hint that we don't just observe reality, we actually help create it. Camus believed life itself is meaningless, so it's on us to make our own meaning. And he used the myth of Sisyphus, a king with a truly terrible punishment to explain this. Sisyphus kept defying the gods, so they gave him a punishment that was just absurdly pointless. He has to do this one meaningless thing forever, and there's absolutely no way out. But here's Camus's point. The meaning isn't the goal. It's found right there in the struggle. Okay, so we create our own meaning. But what about the physical world? Do we create that too? That brings us to our next piece of the puzzle, an art critic named John Berger. He argued that seeing isn't like a camera. It's an act of interpretation based on who you are. Basically, we don't just see the world. We build our own personal version of it. And this idea, it runs headfirst into the old-school classical view of the universe. Classical physics saw a clockwork universe. If you knew the setup, you knew the future. Simple. But then quantum mechanics came along and shattered that perfect, predictable clockwork completely. Werner Heisenberg, a quantum pioneer, found something really bizarre about just looking at things. Turns out, when you observe something at the quantum level, you're not just seeing it, you're changing it. Think of it this way. An unobserved electron is just a smear of possibilities, everywhere at once. But the moment you look, that cloud of possibilities collapses, and it becomes real in one spot. And get this, the universe isn't smooth. Down at the quantum level, it's pixelated, made of quanta. So, a myth, an art critic, and quantum physics. What's the connection? Let's tie it all together. They all point to one incredible idea. We aren't just watching reality, we're actively participating in it. This totally new way of seeing things rests on three core pillars that defy common sense. These quantum rules don't just apply to tiny particles. They change our entire understanding of existence. And this all leads to one final, profound thought that could change how you see everything. So that smooth, continuous reality you experience, it's just an illusion. The universe doesn't flow, it ticks.